What's up, everybody? My name is Mike. I'm also going to be a part of this YouTube channel. I know you've been seeing Ryan's videos with the Cadillac, but I'm going to bring a crappy Mustang into the mix. Sorry for all you high-class Cadillac people, but I'll give you a little update on my car and some future plans for it. So this is the Mustang. It's a 99. I've had it since I was 16. I'm about to be 23, so just graduated college. Now the fun begins with all these new parts, such as this Coyote I just picked up last weekend. That won't get built super soon, but hopefully in the near future. Sorry about the cluttery garage, but I also have a UPR tubular chromoly K member that's going to go in the car hopefully in the next couple weekends. I also have the UPR coilover kit inside. The car still has a 4.6 right now. It's a full bolt-on motor, ported PI heads, comp cams, bigger injector, no boost, still in a. It rips pretty good for what it is. It's not super fast, but that's what the new motor's for, to make it super fast. The body of this car actually has 270,000 miles on it, believe it or not. But it is. I'll start it for you guys. It's a crappy rainy day here in Indiana, but we'll see. Hasn't been started in this week, so this will be a cold start. That's just the dust cover for the clutch cable. This stupid thing is loose. I need to get under there and take it off or tighten it. Car has BBK shorty headers, BBK off-road X-pipe, and a Borla Stinger axle back. It's also got a Mach 1 gauge cluster in there. Some more carbon fiber inside. MGW short throw. Here. Next video I'll make sure to go a little more in depth on the car. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask about it, but next time you see the car, it'll probably be getting that K member installed, and hopefully the time after that the built Coyote. But stay tuned, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe. It means a lot.